Good morning, student. Yesterday we learned about the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Also learn about how to represent the given situation algebraically and graphically. Today we will learn graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. So graphical method. In this, there are three conditions. One is when lines intersect at a point. When lines intersect at a point, uh, then the equations have unique solution, and in this case, the pair is called consistent. And the condition for consistent solution is a1 is to a2 not equal to b1 is to b2. Second case is when lines are parallel, then the equations have no solution, and in this case the pair is called inconsistent. So the condition for inconsistent solution is a1 is to a2 equal to b1 is to b2 is not equal to c1 is to c2, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are the coefficients of x, y and constants from the general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Then the third condition is when the lines are coincident, then the equations have infinitely many solutions, and in this case pair is called consistent. And condition for coincident lines is a1 is to a2 equal to b1 is to b2 equal to c1 is to c2. So these are the ways. Now graphical method. Okay. First condition, when lines intersect each other. Graphical method. When lines intersect. When lines intersect, then the equations have unique solution. And the pair is consistent. Condition for consistent solution. Condition for consistent solution is a1 is to a2 is not equal to b1 is to b2. This is the important condition. Then the second case is when lines are parallel. When lines are parallel, then the equations have no solution. Then the equations have no solution. And the pair is inconsistent. And the pair is inconsistent. Condition for inconsistent solution. Condition for inconsistent solution is A1 is to A2 equal to B1 is to B2 is not equal to C1 is to C2. Then the third condition is when the lines are coincident. Third condition is when the lines are coincident, then the equations have infinitely many solutions, and in this case pair is consistent, and in this case pair is consistent, and in this case pair is called consistent. Condition for coincident lines, or condition and the condition is A1 is to A2 equal to B1 is to B2 equal to C1 is to C2, means all the ratios are equal. A1 is to A2 equal to B1 is to B2 equal to C1 is to C2. Okay. Now, using this concept, we are going to solve exercise 3.2. So here, exercise 3.2, question number 1. So, the first question is, question number 1, form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Question number 1, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So in this case, we want to find out the number of girls and number of boys. So let us consider, let the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. Since there are 10 students, means boys plus girls equal to 10. So here you will get the first equation as x plus y equal to 10. Okay. So here let solution is, first of all take, let the number of boys be x and number of girls be y. So according to the case 1, the first case is 10 students of class 10 took part in the mathematics quiz. So this is the case 1. So according to case 1, you will get the first equation as x plus y equal to 10. Give it to number 1. Then second case is, if the number of girls is 4 more than the boys, that is girls equal to boys plus 4. So here you will get the second equation as y is equal to x plus 4. This implies, you can also write it as x minus y is equal to minus 4. Give it to number 2. Or you may also write it like this. This implies x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Again this implies. So here we are getting these two equations. Now the next step, all of you learned in class 9th that prepare a table. To plot the graph, we need to prepare a table. So for equation 1, so table for equation 1. Here the equation 1 is x plus y equal to 10. This implies x is equal to 10 minus y. So x, y. You can take any values of x and y. If I take 6, x as 6, then your y becomes 4. If I take x as 3, then y will be 7. If I take x as 5, then y will be 5. Also, similarly, we can find out the points for equation 2. Points for equation 2. That is x minus y equal to minus 4. X minus y is equal to minus 4 implies x is equal to y minus 4. Prepare a table. X, y. Now if you put y equal to 4, then 4 minus 4, your x will become 0. If you put y as 7, if you put y is equal to 7, then 7 minus 4 equal to 3. If you put y as 5, then your x will be 1. Then plot the graph. By choosing proper scale. Take on both the axes, take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You must have to plot it on the graph. So x axis, y axis, x, y. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scale. Choose proper scale. Then below it is -1, -2. On left of x-axis again -1, -2. So this will be your y-axis. Now plot this point. First point is 6, 4. So 6, 4 like that. Now you know the procedure. So plot the points, join them, find out the point of intersection of two lines. That will be the solution, and it will be 3, 7, and the point of intersection is 3, 7. Hence the number of boys be 3 and the number of girls be 7 who took part in the quiz. So 3 boys and 7 girls. So 3 boys and 7 girls took part in the quiz. I think all are clear. Now, second question. Now here, question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 is to A2, B1 is to B2 and C1 is to C2, and without drawing them, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So let's start. So here the first equation is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and the another equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So comparing the given equations with standard form, first step is on comparing the given equations with standard form. We will get standard forms, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So here your a1 is 5, a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 8 and a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to minus 9. So find out the ratios, that is here a1 is to a2 equal to, a1 is to a2 is 5 by 7, b1 is to b2 equal to minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. So which are not equal. Now here, since A1 is to A2 is not equal to B1 is to B2, therefore thus the lines representing the pair of equations which intersect each other. Thus the pair of lines thus the pair of lines intersect each other. Thus the pair of lines intersect. Thus the pair of lines intersect each other. Similarly, using the now third question. Similarly, using the condition, you can find out whether the lines are coincident, parallel, or intersecting lines using the different conditions. Now, on comparing the ratios A1 is to A2, B1 is to B2, C1 is to C2, find out whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. This when the lines are parallel, that time only the equations are inconsistent, otherwise they are consistent. Okay. Now I think all of you can complete exercise 3.2 in your classwork notebook and also paste the graph and submit this assignment to me on day after tomorrow. Okay, thank you.